Hello and welcome. Good to have you with us. Now moving to next leader of Indian modern history whose name is Bankim Chand Chatterjee, who was a great poet, journalist and novelist of India and who composed Anand Math in Bengali, which was based on the Sannyasi revolt, and he also predicted India as a Bharat Mata or Mother Goddess. Let's beginning with the first question in the first slide. Who is known as a Sahitya Samrat, Emperor of Literature in Bengali? Option A, Gemini Roy. Option B, Bankim Chand Chatterjee. Option C, Nandlal Bose. Option D, Rabindranath Tagore. Which option is correct? Option A, option B, option C, or option D? And the correct option is option B. Bankim Chand Chatterjee is known as a Sahitya Samrat in Bengali, and the correct answer is option B. Now moving to second question. Mark the incorrect option. Be careful before marking your answer. Here question has asked for incorrect option. First, Durgesh Nandini, the first Bengali romance and the first ever novel in Bengali was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. He was a novelist, journalist and poet. And third option, he held the title Rai Bahadur in 1891. Which option is incorrect? Option A only second and third, option B only second and first, option C first and third, and option D none. Which option is incorrect? Be careful. And the correct option is option D none, because all the three statements which are given are correct. Durgesh Nandini, which was the first Bengali romance and first ever novel in Bengali, was written by Bankim Chand Chattopadhyay or Chatterjee, and also he held the title Rai Bahadur in 1891. Now moving to third question, which statement is correct? Statement first, his first English novel was Raj Mohana's Wife. Second, he was the writer of the Vande Mataram, originally written in Sanskrit, presenting India as a mother goddess or Bharat Mata. Which option is correct? Option A only second, option B only first, option C both, and option D none. Which option is correct? And the correct option is option C both, because Raj Mohana's Wife which was his first English novel, and the second statement is also correct, because the writer of the Vande Mataram was Bankim Chand Chatterjee, which was written originally in Sanskrit, representing or predicting India as a Bharat Mata. So option C is correct. Now moving to option question number 4. Who wrote Rajsimha, a historical fiction? Option A Rabindranath Tagore, option B Avninath Tagore, option C Nandlal Bose, and option D Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay or Chatterjee. Which option is correct? And the correct option is option D, Bankim Chand Chattopadhyay or Chatterjee, who wrote Rajsimha. And the correct option is option D. Now moving to fifth question. Who started Bang Darshan, a Bengali magazine in 1872? You have four options. Option A Aurobindo Ghosh, option B Swami Vivekanand, option C Bankim Chand Chattopadhyay, option D Raj Bihari Bose. Which option is correct for the editor of Bang Darshan magazine, which was in Bengali? And the correct option is option C, Bankim Chand Chattopadhyay or Chatterjee, who was the writer of or editor of Bang Darshan, a Bengali magazine, which was started in 1872 by him. Now moving to sixth question. Which one of them is not edited or written by Bankim Chand Chatterjee? Be careful, because here statement or question is asking for not edited or written by him. First Devi Chaudrani, second Chandrasekhar, third Krishna Kantar Bill, and fourth Hindu Rashtra Darshan. Which option is correct? Which were not edited or written by him? Option A only first and second, option B third and second, option C only fourth, and option D none. And the correct option is option C, because Hindu Rashtra Darshan, which was edited or written by B.D. Savarkar, and the first, second, and third was written and edited by Bankim Chand Chatterjee. So option C is correct. Only fourth, which was not edited or written by Bankim Chand Chatterjee. Now moving to seventh question. Choose the wrong option. First statement, he edited Vishavriksha Poison Tree magazine in 1873. He was a follower of the Gaudiya Vaishnava of Bengal of 14th and 15th century. Option A only second, option B only first, option C both, and option D none. Which option is correct? You have to mark the right option. Which option would be correct? And the correct option is option D, because both the statements are correct. First, he edited Vishviksha or Poison Tree magazine in 1873, and he was also a follower of the Gaudiya Vaishnavism of 14th and 15th century. Now moving to second last question. Eighth question is asking who was the author of Kapal Kundala novel written in Bengali in 1866. Option A Rabindranath Tagore, option B Bankim Chand Chattopadhyay, option C Aurobindo Ghosh, and option D Jemini Roy. And the correct option would be option B Bankim Chand Chattopadhyay, who was the author of Kapal Kundala novel, which was written in Bengali in 1866, which was a very interesting love story of a urban man who fell in love of forest dweller girl. Now moving to last question. Who was the author of Anand Math, the Abbey of Bliss 1882, which was translated in English, a political novel over sannyasi revolt, also a source of Vande Mataram? Option A Jemini Roy, option B Bankim Chand Chatterjee, option C Vishnu Dev, and option D Ghulam Mustafa. Which option would be correct for the Anand Math writer? And the correct option for the Anand Math writer would be Bankim Chand Chatterjee or Chattopadhyay, who was the writer of Anand Math, which was based on the sannyasi revolt and was also a source of Vande Mataram. Thanks to all viewers and subscribers of our Last Mile Approach. Please share, subscribe, and like our initiative.